Hi, thank you for watching my video. I am uploading my videos to share with you what impressed me on astrophotography activities. This time I tried to capture the ZTF Comet using my Raspberry Pi HQ camera. One of my subscribers already demonstrated a successful capture using his HQ camera. And I got some images using my Fujifilm X-T3 camera. As I previously posted, I am suffering from severe light pollution, so I used a dual-band pass filter to capture the comet. The drawback was a high ISO setting even for f2.8 lens. So I tried this time to use this old Canon FD 50mm f1.4. I attached the step up and down rings to set the dual-band pass filter. That has a 48mm diameter thread. I also placed this short rubber hood. It was the night of the full moon. The comet was near the Capella, just a bit north. Yes, I found it. The exposure condition 2 nights before was 12,800 for the ISO. 4 seconds exposure. And the lens f value was 2.8. So, I set the exposure time as 8 seconds to get more light. The f number is 1.4. That should make a total of 8 times brighter. On the other hand, the sensitivity is possibly equivalent to 1600 ISO. The analog gain of 16 is the maximum that I can get. That is 8 times less sensitivity. After all, I get almost the same brightness from the comet. I was capturing an image from 32 frames stacked. Looks like the tracking failed sometimes. And I got some memory transfer defects. Several noisy horizontal bands to the stacked image. It was so frustrating to get this kind of error after 6 minutes total. So I tried a new scheme to make the total exposure shorter. I implemented a binning function and have been testing it for a while. The software binning was set to make 4x4 pixels as a single pixel. It makes the image overexposed. So I set the exposure time to 1 second and the analog gain to 8. As I got a comment asking about image calibrations, I think I have to work on flattening the image. You can see quite a strong vignetting. This f1.4 lens is the brightest one that I own. It will be more useful with the calibration. After I got some stacked frames, I processed them with my program on PC to even stack them again to a single image. The annoying noise lines are visible, so I crop the comet. Then I get this image. The comet looks like a comet. I mean, the glowing around the core is asymmetric, so it should be the tail. Maybe. Later that night, I captured some objects using the same optical setting. This is M42. 1 second exposure being stacked. The retouched image is this. The M42 is in a good contrast, you can find even the horsehead. The binning scheme is working. But I have to work on the noiseband issue first. I am hoping to get the comet again next weekend. When it approaches Mars. I mean, it is like so. When observed from the Earth. Alright, that's all for this time. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.